Ever wanted to try Mac OS but you are a Windows user like me and buying a Mac just isn't in a budget? In this video, I'll show you how to install Mac OS on your Windows PC using VirtualBox. I have broken this video down into 7 simple steps so you can easily follow along and start exploring the Apple ecosystem from your Windows device. Let's dive in and get started. Before we can get to the meat and potatoes, we need to download and install VirtualBox and extension pack. Let's go to the VirtualBox download page. Click the Windows host link. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. Follow the installation steps. When it is complete, hit Finish. Let's go download the extension pack. Double-click it, hit Install. Now that we have installed the VirtualBox, it's time to download the Mac OS ISO file. Tap Mac OS ISO file. I will download it from the Internet Archive website. Click the ISO image to expand the options. I'm going to download Big Sur 11.7 as the latest version don't work very well on VirtualBox. Before performing any further steps, you should disable memory integrity and Windows Hyper-V to avoid any conflict with the third-party virtualization programs. First, let's disable memory integrity. Go to Windows Search and type Cold Isolation. Click to open the setting and turn off the toggle for memory integrity. This is turned off so the virtual machines can share the memory with your host operating system. Then open Command Prompt as administrator and run the following command to disable Hyper-V. You will see all this in the description. Now we can proceed further. Make sure to restart your PC. The next step is to create a virtual machine for your Mac installation. So open VirtualBox, click on New to create a new virtual machine. You can name it anything you like. Remember the name as we will name it in later steps. Select the ISO image you downloaded. The OS tab is already selected, as well as the version. For memory allocation, the minimum requirements for Mac OS needs at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores to run smoothly. If your computer has the resources, assign more to improve performance. I'm allocating 5 GB of RAM and 3 CPU cores to my VM. You will also need to allocate storage space for your virtual machine. The minimum recommended storage needs to be at least 100 GB to ensure the system has room to operate. I'm allocating 100 GB. Then click Finish. This creates a new virtual machine. To configure your virtual machine, first, open the settings. In the System tab, make sure the floppy box is unchecked. It is already grayed out, so no need to worry about that. The chipset should be set to ICH 9 and enable EFI. Then go to the Display tab. Set video memory to 128 and enable 3D acceleration. Is grayed out, so we not going to worry about that. Go to the Network tab. Select Bridge Adapter and choose your Wi-Fi card. Go to the USB tab. It seems that everything looks good here, so I will click OK to save the changes. Next, we need to configure the virtual machine by running a few commands. First, complete a quick VirtualBox before doing anything. Then, go ahead and open Command Prompt as administrator. We have two different commands depending on your processor type. The first one is for AMD processors and the second one is for Intel processor. I have an Intel processor. I will simply copy and paste the Intel specific commands into the terminal window. Make sure to replace VM name with the actual name you assigned to your virtual machine. Now we can proceed further. It's time to install macOS on your virtual machine. Launch VirtualBox. Click the Start button to boot up your virtual machine. It will take a few minutes for macOS to initialize. Once the installer wizard appears, select your language. From here, choose Disk Utility and click Continue. You will need to format the virtual drive before installing macOS. Select VBox Hard Drive Media. Click Erase. Tap a name for your hard disk and confirm by clicking Erase again. After formatting, quit Disk Utility. Then select Install macOS Big Sur and click Continue. Agree to the terms and conditions. Select the formatted hard drive and click Continue to begin the installation. The installation will take some time and the virtual machine will reboot several times. Make sure your PC is powered on and check back after the process is complete. Now that macOS is installed, follow the on-screen instructions to set up the operating system, just as you would on a brand new Mac. Once you've completed the setup, macOS should run smoothly on your Windows PC using VirtualBox. You can now explore and use Mac exclusive apps and features directly from your Windows machine. By default, the display resolution is set to 1024 by 768 pixels. If you would like to increase the resolution for a better viewing experience, follow the next steps. First, power off the virtual machine. Open Command Prompt as administrator and navigate to the VirtualBox installation directory. You will need to run this command to set the desired resolution. Be sure to replace VM name with the actual name of your virtual machine. You can also run an additional command to increase the virtual memory from 128 MB to 256 for better graphics experience. But we are not going to do that. Once that is done, start your VM. You will see that the display resolution inside the VM window is higher. To exit full screen mode, simply click the full screen mode option in the View tab of the virtual machine. If you found this guide useful, please give this video a like and smash the subscribe button to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.